Welcome to the series of videos on the electronic certificate of origin in JSWIFT. In this tutorial video, we will look at how to print an approved certificate document from the system. Now you must first be logged into the system. Let's log in as our trader. Now that you have logged in, if you reflect on the video that looks at search, we must first search for the application before we're able to print. Now there's a tutorial video on how to search. We will look at that later. So let's click search. Select the document type, which is certificate. Identify the application that you're looking for, and in the video that looks at search, it spoke about different criteria options that can be used if you forget what your registration number was. You can also use your trader information to search. That is if you do not remember what the registration number is for your document, or if you just want to see all your documents. So let's explore that option. If I use my trader option, which is my trading name, manufacturers, plant products, and I search, I would have seen all my documents, those approved, those registered, and then I would select accordingly. Now please note that you can only print a permit on an approved application. But now that we know that our application is 96, we could have used that to search. But we are here, you click view, and the document will open. If I had used my registration details to search, I would have clicked here a search, and only one document would appear. So you choose whichever search option you wish to use depending on the information that you have or you can remember. We click view. When we click view, it opens up to our application that was submitted. Now on the application, we have two options: print and duplicate certificate. Let's first look at our print option. If we wish to print this certificate document, then we would select the option print. Once print is selected, then the system will download a PDF of the certificate of origin for this application. Now, depending on the device, you'll see your download appear differently. Here is my certificate downloaded. I click. Because I pressed more than once, I have several downloaded documents, but let me just select one, open. And here we have our certificate. The reference number for the certificate. Look at the details, consignee details, country of origin, country of destination is there. My shipping marks, so my container number, if I had indicated it as my shipping marks, it would be there, or whatever marks were represented on the application. The product, origin criterion indicated, and my invoice. Now, I have only one invoice, so you would have seen that it's one invoice number. My application is there with my information, and there is a unique feature, which is the QR code. Now you can visit the video on how to read the QR code, or how to check the authenticity of a document. Now this code will appear on all the generated documents from JSWIFT, and this code can be used to check the authenticity of the document. Now, I'll show you that in another video. This is the back of the form, and if you notice, you have two documents. Your second document would be your CARICOM invoice. Now please note that this document would have been generated based on the information captured on your invoice page, and also that information, your consignee information that you had. So look at this. My invoice number and date is there. My commodity packaging, my unit price, remember I said, and my total value for each item would be indicated along with my invoice value. Now we have also another code, QR code being displayed. Now the QR codes, let me just show you, can be reviewed using the QR scan on the JSWIFT page, main page. Once you click QR scan, then you would go ahead and follow the steps and verify the document. Now this feature will allow for verification by any authority or administrator or person that have access to the JSWIFT system. Any document can be verified for its authenticity using the QR code and scanner. Thanks for watching our video on how to print a JSWIFT Certificate of Origin application after approval.